Here's the way to set up your ClawdBot under $8 without spending $600 for a Mac Mini. In this video, we're going to deploy it on a remote cloud server, and here's the reason why. First of all, obviously it's way cheaper. And secondly, at this stage, ClawdBot is kind of like a powerful but not fully tamed beast. It can do a lot of things, but sometimes it needs a lot of permission also. So I don't know about you, but I'm not ready for an AI assistant to have a full access to my main computer, my important files, and I really don't want to share my browser history to the world. So instead of letting this beast run free on my laptop, we're going to keep it safely locked in the cloud. And third, if you deploy it locally, the moment your computer goes to sleep or shuts down, the bot stops working also. A cloud VPS, on the other hand, runs 24/7. It's always online, always ready whenever you need it. Now, fair warning, in this tutorial we'll be using command line. I know that scares a lot of beginners, but don't worry, I will just keep the commands to an absolute minimum, and I will put every single command in the comments so that you can just copy and paste it. For this setup, we're using Hostinger. You can click the link in the description. This is my referral link. You'll get a discount, and I'll earn a small commission. You can choose any billing period you want, and for server locations, just pick wherever you want, wherever is closest to you. I'm choosing the United States. For operating system, at the time of recording, one-click deployment isn't available yet, but I'm pretty sure it's coming soon. So just choose the plain OS. I'm using Ubuntu. And then we log in, set up your root password, and this is important, please remember it. You can check both option boxes, they're free anyway. The server will take a bit of time to finish setting everything up. Once it is done, click Manage VPS. And here we'll see all the information about your server. Now, to keep things simple, we're not using SSH. We're just using the built-in terminal right here in the browser. And yes, the terminal looks scary, but trust me, just following along, copy and paste, you'll be fine. First, we're going to install OpenClaw or ClawdBot or Moltbot. At this stage, I don't know what it's called. Head to the official website, find the quick start section, switch from Windows to Linux, and you'll see a one-liner command. Just one line, just copy it and paste it into your terminal. Just one quick note that Ctrl-V doesn't work here. You'll need to right-click and choose paste. We'll start installing. ClawdBot or OpenClaw will start installing. Once it's done, it will guide you through a setup and warn you about some security consideration. Choose yes and choose quick start. Next, it asks you to choose a model. This is the brain of this bot. Q1 is not the smartest, but it's free. It's perfect for playing around with the setup. I'm choosing option number 4. And after that, it will give you an URL. Just copy it and open it in your browser and log in or sign up. It's free. And don't worry, we can choose a different model later. Once logged in, confirm that you want to authorize Q1, then go back to the terminal. We'll keep the current model. Then we're good with this one. Now here comes channels. This means which chat app you want to use to talk to ClawdBot. It can be Instagram, WhatsApp, Discord, or more. In this demo, I will be using WhatsApp. So we click confirm, scan the QR code with your phone, and authorize. Then for this one, I'll choose option 1. So the bot only responds when you talk to it, not when other people message you. Enter the phone number linked to WhatsApp and your channel setup is done. Next one, we have skills. Think of the skills like installing knowledge or abilities directly into the bot's brain. It's like the Matrix. Upload Kung Fu and suddenly it knows Kung Fu.
I know Kung Fu.
And for now, we'll skip this and we'll be installing these in another interface later. Google API key, not for now. Notion, not for now. OpenAI, not for now. All of these can be added later. We can enable hooks, turn all of them on. Choose option 1 and you're done. And now the bot will ask some onboarding questions like, what should it call you? And what do you want to call it? And some extra preference. Fill those in however you like. At this point, your bot is technically ready. You can text it on your WhatsApp and it will respond. But staring at the terminal all day is not fun. Some other people's dashboard looks way nicer, more visual, and easier to use with a mouse. So how do we get to that dashboard when running on a VPS? We're going to use Cloudflared. Think of Cloudflared as a secure tunnel between your server and your browser. Run these 3 commands in order, and after the last one, you'll get a URL. Copy it, paste it into your browser, and you'll see this error. That just means we need to verify access. We go back to hosting your dashboard, open a new terminal, don't close the original one, and run this command. You'll see a token. Copy everything after ? Go back to the dashboard URL, delete everything after .com/, paste the token, and reload. And now we don't see this error. We see another parent request error, which means the ClawdBot needs permission to allow this browser to access its dashboard. Go back to terminal, run this command, copy the request ID, and paste it into the next command. Hit enter, and boom, access granted. Now your dashboard loads, synced with your chat history. Messages you send on WhatsApp shows up here. And that's it. Your ClawdBot is officially set up. You can explore dashboards, see connected devices, install skills, and you can view logs. There's a lot to play with. And another quick and important note, personally, I don't think ClawdBot is something you should fully trust for a security standpoint, at least not yet. So I don't recommend using ClawdBot and this setup for a highly sensitive tasks and for critical data. Well, that's everything I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed. That's a short one. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.